As a result of the pandemic, the state of Ohio has had to borrow money from the federal government in regard to the unemployment compensation fund. That debt at this point is about $1.46 billion. Certainly not the first time that this has occurred, and it was to be expected as we went into this pandemic. But I am recommending now to the General Assembly, and I had the opportunity to talk this morning to the Speaker and to the President of the Senate, leaders of their respective bodies, and they are in agreement with me that we should take some of the money that will be coming to Ohio shortly from the last bill passed by Congress and to use that money to pay this debt. It will really, it's the fiscally responsible thing to do. We will have the ability to do that, and we should go ahead and do it. The loan itself, of course, was caused by the pandemic, and paying this off now will free Ohio employers from this burden so they can instead focus on getting employees across the state of Ohio back to work. This will help small businesses across our state and will certainly help employment and our employees. This is a very important step that we can take together that will help stabilize our economic environment and spur long-term growth. So again, we look forward to working with the members of the General Assembly on this. I might also add that I've spoken to the Senate President, spoken to the Speaker, and asked both Speaker Cupp and President Huffman if they and the legislature would tackle the difficult job, a separate job, in regard to our unemployment compensation fund, and that is that it is structurally not really balanced. And from a structural point of view, this has been a problem that existed long before the pandemic hit. So we're recommending we pay off the debt, but we still are left with a structural problem. And this is something that the legislature should tackle. And I think there's a willingness in the legislature to take this on and to try to come up with a solution. It really is in the best interest of everyone if this can be done.